Hi, today I'll explain about a business card design, right? Business card or visiting card. Yeah, for that we want logo and some text and page settings, right? So suppose here the new document, click on this new document here. And what are the business card settings? So here suppose instead of this millimeters, I'm changing this into inches. Width I'm taking 3.5 and it is 2 inches. 2 inches, right? And number of pages are 1 only. And here the resolution, rendering resolution must be 300 and color mode is CMYK because we are preparing business card for printer. And here give that name business card. Business card, right? Say OK. Yeah, this is your business card, right? But for business card we have to give some space for the bleed area. Already explained in the previous classes in Photoshop and Illustrator classes, right? The bleed area is actually for margin, for printing margin. Suppose that is for the cutting margin, right? So for printing margin inside we give that is safe area. So first here I am giving the bleed area, cutting marks. How to give? Suppose see, from tools, options, you select, or otherwise here in the gray color border is there, you double click on that, you will get these options, right? And here in this the page size options are available. Already we gave that name business card, 3.5 by 2 inches. And suppose here see the bleed area. Here the bleed area it's not showing, right? Because we have to select show bleed area option, give the tick mark here and give the bleed area a size. Suppose here I'm giving 0.2, right? And say OK. Now see, this is your bleed area around the actual size. That inside I want to give some extra space, so that is for safe area, right? And from bottom I'll take this roller and here also give that one, right? This is means what? The guides, these are, suppose these rollers we are using this inside rollers or for safe area, right? Safe area, you should not extend important text or logo, contact details, whatever the text, right? Should not cross from 4 sides. If you cross this one, what will happen? You'll be close to your cutting marks. So cutting marks is, so this is your cutting marks, it is showing here. So this is here right? What you do, you lock this one, see this is locked, right? Unlock object means you can unlock that because all these are locked. So this here, this also to lock object. Here these are locked, the 4 sides. So this here also you lock this, right? Here also we lock this. Yes, these are already locked. Now you cannot move these guides, right? But inside we have to design. This is called this white area inside these rollers. This is called design area. These guidelines are showing what? Safe area, safe margins, and outside this border like it is showing bleed area, cutting marks for that, right? Now I want to import my logo. Already I created that logo. Suppose here import. See here my logo is in Illustrator file, right? So I am clicking on that, the impact final logo, and import. See now this logo is impact visual solutions. So this is a vector file, right? Because this is done in Illustrator. Illustrator and CorelDRAW both are vector based programs. So directly I imported my Illustrator file, not JPEG. JPEGs you cannot use as a logo in CorelDRAW. So you can resize this, make it smaller, right? And keep this. Suppose keep here impact visual solutions, right? Right here we have to plan some design, right? Suppose this portion impact that visual solution. So that kind of a visual we are planning to create. So suppose here I want to use this pen tool. Suppose I'll check the other tools, right? Okay, I'm using this pen tool to give some shape. So from here to here, right? Right, and here I'm using Alt. Here I'm using Alt here. From there to here, so Control Z. So here, this area. So I'm using Alt on keyboard. And connect this, right? This is the shape, right? Here by using this shape tool I want to extend this up to here, right? And select this point. So this is what actually, this is edge and this is a node. Select this node here and you can bend that right? Yeah, this lower portion actually beat up. Yes, yes, right? And this one move bit down and give that proper shape. This is right. Here I want to fill one color. So here I'm using some gray color, right? I want to use some gray color. and I don't want this outline, so I'm deleting this outline, none. Yes, here I'm giving my address and information about that executive. Suppose here instead of 24 I'm taking 16, otherwise at 12 point. Suppose I'm giving suppose P SRINIVA. P Srinivas some name I'm giving, and here so designer. Here senior designer, senior designer, right? Can change this to small. Yeah, suppose I'm giving to suppose 11 size, but yeah, this I want alignment, right alignment I'm taking, right? Yes, and this senior designer I want to give small text, suppose 9 or 8 point I'm giving. This is good, right? And now so other text information here, suppose here I'm giving a phone number, give any number 850 425. Yes, I'm giving this number, and this must be in a small size, 9 point, and place here, right? Select this. Yes, and now here I want to place other text here, right? Some address information. Suppose here I'm planning some address, so that is house number, house number 240 by C, right? SR Nagar, Amirpet, Hyderabad. $5,39,000, right? So this is the address I'm giving. I'm choosing here a right alignment. Okay, email ID also I'm giving. I'm giving email ID. Email IDEAZ @gmail.com. Right, this is. So select this and this and this and suppose from arrange, align and distribute, so align right, so it is aligned to right. Next here I want to give some colors, right? So here this screen was this portion, particularly this one I'm selecting and I want to give in a red color, and this I have to highlight, or otherwise this color I'll give with this color. With eyedropper tool I'll select this color, this red color, right, and I'm giving this to here. Yeah, not here, actually I want to give here. So this color I'm filling, right, and here this portion with eyedropper tool again I'm choosing this color, right, and select this one and choose with this eyedropper tool and fill with this, right, and this one should be in a black. Right. This text, the remaining text also will be the black, right? This is the simple that business card, and we can experiment with another also, right? So here make it Control S and save this on desktop business card, and here a version, suppose this is very important, choose that version. Even if you are having a very latest version of CorelDRAW, but don't save in that. Suppose at printer area, that printer suppose is not using latest version like you, right? Maybe he'll use the lower version, 15 or lower than that. So generally 15 version you can save that, right? For timing I'm giving the 17 only, but if you are giving the design for real-time that printing, so you must choose that a version below that 17, right? Okay, save. Your file is saved, right? And suppose I'm taking another page, suppose page 1 it is, and page 2 with the same settings I'm taking, but here design I'll change. Suppose this Control C, and in the second page Control V selected here, and now you can choose this. Yes, it is there. Move bit up, and from the first page again select this entire text, right? Control C, come to second page and Control V. So this is the text, right? But here this portion I want to keep here. So but this text should be in left aligned, should be in a left alignment, right? Good. So select this and this and here from arrange choose transformation, right? Align and distribute, align and distribute, check with the align left, right? So nicely align this one, so good. But this portion, now this portion actually I want to make it in 1 or 2 lines instead of the complete row. So here I'm giving the backspace, backspace, backspace. Now if you observe this, they are in one line. So you keep this here, move down, right? Now you drag this here, you select this one, this portion, and bit move down, suppose up to here I'm giving, right? Now maintain this gap, right? And here select these two, this and this, here I want to give some patch like otherwise, right? Because the space is there, more space. Here I want to make some patch like, so from here to here, yes, here to here. I'm giving this patch and I fill with some gray color, the gray color, make it bit darker, right? And the text must be on top. Select the text and order in front of this, and this text color must be white, right? Now drag this and keep this here, right? Perfect. Move up, bit down, excellent. And here remove this outline. I don't want outline here, none. Outline removed. This is perfect, right? And now this address, make it center, because see here the both sides it is should be equal, so keep this in center. Right, this is center, and if you want you can make it bit darker. Yes, this is enough, not very dark, right? And now this you can move bit down. Perfect. And now this you can extend bit. So bit, yeah, this much. Yeah, this is okay, right? Nice. And this portion, so I want to keep this as it is. Select this and select this and move upwards. Perfect, right? And suppose Control S. This is one type of business part. So another one, at least 3 type of designs we have to prepare. At least between 3 to 5 we have to give for the customer, client. Then they'll choose. Then that will be the final for printer. So here I'm choosing one more design. That means I'm taking page 3. This is page 3 and the same settings. No need to again and again prepare the same settings, right? And from here, so I'm copying this Control C, come to page 3 and Control V, right? This time we keep this here, right? Left alignment I'm using here, and from this second page, yeah, in the first page I want this text. I'm copying Control C and come here at my page 3 and Control V, pasted this one, right? So here this I want to change it into a left alignment, and this also, suppose this and this. It is in left only, but here I want to place. So this and along with this, here it is, right? So now what we do, select everything, this and this, and come to arrange. There align and distribute is there, choose align left, right? It is nicely chosen. And then here what we do, this you can move up, have to maintain some gap between this, because this also move up, right? Perfect. So because the clarity between that lines, so this is address, actual address, and this is email, right? And contact number here I want to place the same, these two. I'll take this, Control C, come here and Control V, right? Perfect. So choice is yours. Suppose if you want to change the color here, you can change this color here, this color here, right? You can change. Otherwise I'm not changing anything, but here I'm planning some design here, right? So for that I'm choosing few shapes. Suppose here I'm doing a spiral, right? So here I'm creating one spiral by pressing Control. I'm creating this, right? So we'll try. If it is good looking, then we'll keep this, otherwise we'll remove. Not required, just remove that. Instead of that, I'm planning one shape. Yeah, here we want to give some rectangle shape here. Up to here. Yes, this is right. You can extend this up to this border. Yes. Now is select this and fill with a gray color. So why I'm filling with gray color every time means the combination with the blue and red, gray really will give the good impact, right? So here I'm removing outline. So this is this, and here suppose this is patch, and you can get inside more. Yes, this is nice. Right, this is perfect. So you can hold the card here and give it to someone. So this is, and you save this, Control S, and suppose take the prints, right? Suppose how to save this after everything. After everything, set this one and move up a bit up. Yes, and Control S. And here what I am doing, see here, to save for this, I am giving a double click on the rectangle tool so that you choose your entire that print area, right? But I don't want any outline actually, right? So this is your area, print area, and you choose this for here also, and actually not required this outline. Here also give that and remove this outline. Now there are no outlines, but you specified that area, right? Yes, here something you have to change here, these lines. Yeah, this one here. Here I want to move bit down because it is it's a dominating. Yeah, this is nice, right? Yes, here Control S. Now we'll save this. So already I saved as the business card, right? Control S. And now I want to export. Suppose export in export category here. Suppose JPEG, right? JPEG, and export, and choose here your the preview. Check your preview here. Export business card, right? Yeah, it is saved already. It is saved, and now I want to export for PDF, that is Adobe Portable Document format, right? So generally we use this format for printing, right? Suppose export and choose the printer options here. Exporting, right? Yeah, yeah, it is already exported. Now if you close this and observe, this is your business card, and see this, see your pages, check with this 100%. Yes, exactly. See, so very perfect, right? See, this is first one, this is the second one, and this is a third one, right? Very beautiful. But here see that alignment is not looking good here in this, so we want to change that. Here it is. This actually, this we have to move a bit inside this patch. So for that, again open this, the third page. Yeah, here it is. So drag one roller here, select now, and get up to here, right? Perfect. Right, this is right. Now again Control S, export business card, export and replace it, right? And now check this, open this, see within 100%. Yeah, this is the first one, beautiful, and this is second one, and this is a third one, nice. So these are the business card design in real time. Carefully we have to design and give the choice for the customer, so that is really very, very important. So here we made 3 designs in the same file, in the business card file. We use 3 pages and we made it, right? So you also prepare your business cards in at least 3 to 5 different versions, right? And practice this, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.